guys, it's King Dave back again with another video, and today we are making a hovercraft. So guys, and now I'm going to show you how to make the hovercraft. First, take your OTD and place it on a surface so that you do not get the hot glue on your table. Secondly, take the sports bottle cap and place hot glue all the way around. Once you have completed that, then you must take your sports bottle cap and place it roughly in the center of your OTD. Now you flip over your OTD and you check to see if this sports bottle cap is roughly in the center. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to operate your hovercraft. Firstly, you blow up your balloon and you hold it at the top and you give it a few twists. Then you stretch it over the sports bottle cap. Then you untwist it. Then you open your sports bottle cap and then it should work. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. Peace.